Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a circle quilt. First, select a beautiful assortment of fabrics for your circles and the background. You will need to cut your background fabric into squares, often around 10 inches by 10 inches. Next, prepare several circle templates in different sizes, perhaps ranging from 2 inches to 6 inches in diameter. This initial preparation is key to a successful and visually appealing quilt. Now, let's create those lovely circles. Take your templates and trace them onto the wrong side of your selected fabrics. Carefully cut out each fabric circle, remembering to add a consistent 1/4 inch seam allowance all around. The next crucial step is to press that seam allowance under, which will give you a beautifully crisp and clean edge for every single circle you make. This attention to detail truly makes a difference. With your circles ready, it's time to applique them onto your background blocks. Carefully position each fabric circle exactly where you want it on a background square. Use pins to secure the circles firmly in place, ensuring they won't shift while you're sewing. Then, using a small, nearly invisible applique stitch, sew each circle onto its background square. This step brings your individual quilt blocks to life. Finally, let's bring all your hard work together to form the quilt top. Arrange your completed circle blocks into a design that you love, playing with colors and patterns. Once satisfied, sew the blocks together in rows, and then join those rows to create your full quilt top. The last steps involve adding batting and backing, then quilting and binding your beautiful, unique circle quilt. Enjoy your stunning handmade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.